Okay, y'all, new day, doing a side project here. I'm gonna take this trash can and these little cups that I ordered online. We're drilling holes in here, and it's gonna become a new big feed container for the chickens. So we got something a lot bigger. We can put like probably a full 40-pound bag of feed in there. And these are pretty simple. I'll show you. The chicken just will come in, they put their head in and they eat. The food, comes down, feeds down to the bottom. So I've pre-measured this already. I've got the one drilled on the side. I'm only doing 3 sides, I'm not doing 4. So hopefully, let me see if I can get you all in here and make sure it's working like it should. Put the drill up here and step over and see if I can see it. We have another tripod coming so that we can make this a little easier for me. Let's see. Here we go. It's really sunny out here, I can't tell. Okay. And what I do is I'll show you guys this bit. It's just one of these here. What I've learned about these over the years is you want to use them in reverse. They seem to get a lot better cut and effect, less torque. So I pre-measured. I'm just gonna line it up with my dot here as best I can and get at it. And that's not supposed to happen. This thing's having trouble staying tight inside here, and I'm not sure why, but that's okay. I actually wasn't supposed to drill that hole, but that's okay too. Let's see. I've got another can back here that I can get rid of all the plastic bits in so that the chickens aren't eating this plastic crap off the ground. This is an old drill that someone gave me, and it's not really holding the bit and the chuck very well here. You gotta let it definitely sit down to the bottom so it's seated. I doubt y'all can see that, I don't know. And then tighten the snot out of it. It might be because I'm going in reverse that's having a problem. Just really ratchet that thing down. Okay, so I'm not sure. We weren't going to do 4, we're going to do 3, so this can go up against the wall. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that hole I just made there. I'll either just do 4 or I'll figure out a way to patch it. I'm not sure how this works. I'm going to be doing a hole up here higher now. Let's see if we can do this without it falling apart. I only have 2 more to go. I might have to use one of my battery powered drills. Alright. So we'll pop that off. Go dump a bunch of these. We'll do this side now. That hopefully hand tightening it a little better like that worked so far. Sweet Ermagine. Yes. Alright, so let me bring this can over. I want to wipe all these little bits of plastic off of here so the chickens don't eat it. They'll eat anything. They don't need these bits of plastic. I shouldn't say anything. I haven't found too much that they won't eat yet. Some friends of ours give their Creole breadcrumbs to their chickens, and they love it. Mine don't seem to care, so I just use it for compost, or use it in my compost. which is something else we'll go over here at some point. All right. I worked for the government. I know that's good enough for government work. Now what we do, it's pretty simple. So we take these, we're gonna run it through here. And there's an O-ring. And then just take this, tighten it there, get it lined up the way you want it. Okay. It's not rocket science, that's why I can do it. I'm not a smart man, but I know what love is. Alright, then the chicken comes, puts her head down inside here, and he'll eat the feed right through there. She'll eat the feed right through there. And so the objective here was to put one on the front, one on each side, have the back up against somewhere in the coop. I just caused a dilemma with that, but what I'll probably do is just tape a piece of cardboard, or I've got some extra plastic laying around here I can cut that'll work over the extra hole I made. We're gonna want that eventually, but it's a little premature, so. And now just rinse and repeat, basically. Throw that one back on, kind of line it up. Twist this on here. There's the second one. There's two. I'll just come from the side to do this one so I don't smash the other one. Let's see if I can reach in there. Whoops, I did it the wrong way. Pay attention, man. Okay. It's funny how when you do it the right way, it works more easily. G Sergeant. And boom. I'm gonna turn this one, loosen it a little bit, turn it upright. There we go. Make sure these other ones are nice and snug, because these chickens they're destructive. That's it. Now what I'll do is patch the hole I made in the back that wasn't supposed to be there yet. Fill this up with feed, and then it's just a regular garbage can, so it's just got this lid on here. I actually kept the sticker so folks can see if they want. This is just a 13-gallon hefty touch lid, so I'll just put the lid back on to protect the feed. And if we need to, if you're in a situation where it is getting exposed to moisture, you can just pull a plastic bag down over the top. I don't think the moisture's going to get in here too easily. This is going to be up on a couple bricks, so it gives them a little bit of height. And get it going. Okay, bye. Alright, so here's the finished product, the trash can with the little openings. That's the Miracle Elixir Doterra Deep Blue that my wife just put on me because I'm really sore from doing this project, because apparently I'm not in my 20s anymore. And it's really helped my muscle pain go away. That's just my Harvest Peach Sun Tea that I'm going to drink later after it gets chilled with honey. And that's it. This is done. Now all I have to do is put it in the coop, fill it with food, and the girls can start eating. Holy cow, I just figured out how to change the function all by myself. Anyway, here is the finished product of that can, a feeder can. So obviously it's got a bunch of feed in there right now, probably about 65 or 70 pounds. Down there on the bottom are the 3 spots that I have for them to eat out of, and then in the back, you can't see it now, but I repaired the one that I cut out by accident. All I did was put a piece of cardboard inside and taped it down real good, and then put the hole that I cut out on top of that and taped it from the outside. So then all I gotta do is put the lid on, and that much feed in there compared to the tube that they had is gonna last them probably 3 weeks before we gotta refill it. This is their water container that holds 5 gallons. The inside of the coop, which is probably gonna get cleaned today or tomorrow. Well, the inside of the outside, there's a little run over here, and that's this is all being improved. We're gonna build that over there by the fence. There's a big concreted in area. It's bordered with concrete, and the runs are going to go out by the shed, and the rest of it's going to be all the run inside. The inside of the coop. One of the ladies producing a cackleberry. Thank you. I don't know what her name is, the kids do. That's not my place. This is pretty simple inside. There's a couple roosts, and this big area here is the door, which I leave open this time of year. It's not summer. I just put this ramp up for them, but I gotta cut it. It's an old piece of wood from one of the beds I just tore out. So I'm gonna cut it down to butt up against this 2x4, and then I'm gonna build some little rungs on it. I'll probably do that today or tomorrow, just so they can climb up more easily. And that's it for now. Oh, and my little friend Gracie came to say hi. She's a very sweet cat. Her sister's really sick the last couple days, and I'm trying to keep an eye on her. My wife really perked her up yesterday with copaiba and frankincense or something, and she seems to be doing better today. We're not sure what's wrong, if she ate something she wasn't supposed to, or what. She's not showing like she got injured, but hopefully she'll get better soon, and I won't have to take her to a vet. Come here, Soph. Solo. Come here, Sophie. And that's bad timing. Sophie going pee-pee. Okay, bye.